I'm smelly.
Yeah, it's still brand new.
You are? Yeah. Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here, man?
My name's Coby Wilson. I've got a CVX 12 with sundown soft parts in it on a VFL 3K.
Okay. So you used to have like a window blow through.
Yeah.
And now you've gone single sub.
Yep. Just something for daily use for now.
So a single 12?
Yeah, SkyHigh VX 12.
From 210s.
Yep, with sundown soft parts.
Okay. Did you build the box?
Yep.
Very
Built it out of
nice.
scrap wood, tuned to 27 hertz.
Okay. You said scrap wood.
Yep, scrap
Awesome.
wood laying around. Just something to test it.
Yeah, man. Are you happy with it so far?
Oh, yeah, it's still not broken in. I just built the sub yesterday, so it's
Okay. Yes, sir.
still all new.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Put your window up.
Yeah, I got you.
Thank you very much. Sweet. What is the box specs on it, like tuning and all?
2.75 cubes, tuned to 27 hertz.
27. Okay. What made you invert it versus regular mount?
Just because I had the water walls out, I wanted some clearance on the back side of this.
Okay. Yeah. Very nice.
And for hooking up and stuff.
Yes, sir. Do you have any extra battery in
I
here?
just have an AGM in the back.
AGM in the back?
AGM
Okay.
in the front, and then a feature
Okay.
amp.
Awesome. I'm gonna go check that out.
With my mom being so amazing. The house show. All I see is great. Smoking on Jamaica. If you don't be so
Hope you enjoyed that quick walk around we got of Coby's system at the Slamfest audio show in Tampa, Florida area. Be sure to give him a like and comment what you like about his system. I went ahead and put the link of his previous system demo I got from him at the prior show. This was the thumbnail of how it looked when he had 210s. I like the way he has the amplifier in the back, that 3000 watt, just for his, I think it's a Paraflex style mid-range and big tweeter, standard ported box with the big tweeter in front of the mid-ranges. But anyway, and also the way he has his amplifier staged underneath of his back. So he didn't really have any room for anything but his system in the back seat of his extended cab truck. So 3000 watts on 12-inch sub. And having the port right there behind the seat is probably a good way to have just a standard box, put it in the back. I didn't see if it was actually mounted down, so always keep in mind to mount down your subwoofer. And having it inverted gave him a good bit of extra room inside of the enclosure, and I think he had some braces in there, so he wasn't able to mount it regular. So keep in mind these single sub systems can get down and play real low if it's built properly. And it definitely did a good job with optimal amount of output for this 12-inch sub. So custom parts inside of it, so it's not exactly a 1500 watt RMS. I'm going to say he's probably getting at least 2000 watts to the sub when he burps it. So we're getting to the demo now. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already for daily videos, and enjoy. Sweet. Yeah, man, I love to hear it.
I can make you famous on Instagram. God damn it. Don't you like to get it? Go ahead and go have
Oh, you got them smelling. You are? Yeah. Woo! Wow.
Not bad for me,
No, man. What made you invert it versus regular mount?
Just because that's one wall down there, one is there, it's on the back side of the
Okay. Yeah. Very nice.
and for hooking up and stuff.
Yes, sir. Do you have any extra battery in here?
I just have an AGM in the back.
AGM in the back?
AGM
Okay.
in the front, and then a feature
Okay. Awesome. Well, thank you for the demo. What was your name?
Coby.
Coby. Awesome. All right, Coby, have a good day.